Hi guys, I'm gonna be talking about what I would do if I were desperately in need of a job. Now, I know that a lot of you at some point in your life, whether in the past or currently, are trying to find a job. There are a lot of job seekers in the job market with a very limited range of opportunities, and it can be a little bit tricky trying to find opportunities. But today, I'm gonna be talking about how you can quickly find remote jobs and even on-site jobs very, very fast. So if you're desperately in need of a job, you're broke, or you simply just got laid off, then you definitely want to watch this video because I'm going to be sharing one amazing tip that has helped me land a remote job. And I'm sure that if you follow this tip, it will definitely work for you as well. So before I go further, I would like to say that I actually got this idea from a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Adefe Adeoye. I was going through YouTube and I saw her video and I watched it, and I actually feel like I got glued to her channel after that very first video, because there's so much value to get from her channel. So I watched the video and I thought, okay, why not give it a try? Because I currently in my life, I am in a phase where I'm kind of transitioning between niches. Okay, so I needed opportunities, or I needed information on how I could actually get jobs fast, especially remote jobs, because I am tilting towards digital marketing and social media management currently in my career. So I went on YouTube and I found her video and it was absolutely helpful. So I'm going to be sharing that tip with you guys because I tried it and it worked for me. Now, the tool I'm talking about today is LinkedIn. I know a lot of you would probably look away and say LinkedIn is probably overrated. Well, I think you should think again, because with the tip I'm going to be sharing with you today, you can overcome a lot of obstacles that comes with actually searching for jobs on LinkedIn. There's this section on LinkedIn that sort of shows you all the available jobs, and a lot of times you will see easy apply or just simply apply on this site. If you go through these job openings, you will notice that there may have been a lot of applicants, and that's because a lot of times these alerts or notifications do not even come as soon as you need it. So by the time you get there, you see that there are already 100 applicants, 200 applicants, over 50 applicants. And of course, with a job pool like that, chances of you getting hired or even getting an interview at all becomes very, very, very low. So in order to make sure that you are putting yourself in the eye of the employer, okay, in order to make sure that you are increasing your chances, what you want to do is you want to go onto your LinkedIn page, and in the search bar, you want to type in quotation marks the job title, okay, and in quotation marks, hiring. As you can see, we have digital marketer in quotation marks and hiring, and you want to click on enter. As soon as you do that, you want to streamline your search to the last 24 hours, okay? So you click on past 24 hours. And now you can see that all the listings available within the last 24 hours will definitely pop up. Now, if you are one of the very first people to actually submit your application within 24 hours, this technically means that you will have a better chance of actually securing a job or even an interview at the very least. Now, provided that your LinkedIn profile is optimized, your resume is up to standard, and you have the necessary skill set and experience that is required for that particular job role, then you stand a very good chance of actually getting hired or even called for an interview. Do not know how to optimize your LinkedIn profile? Then you should click on the video here, because I have made a very detailed video that will show you how you can actually optimize your LinkedIn profile. And if you also need help, professional help getting your LinkedIn profile optimized, or even getting an internationally recognized resume standard that is also friendly with the ATS, then you should also use the links in the description box, okay? Because I've left links that can help you. I hope that this helps you guys, because this has been very, very helpful to me. I mean, I was also desperately in need of a job. I used this method and I was able to secure a job very, very quickly. Literally within days, I actually got invited for an interview. So just put in your best, okay, and try this method, and I can assure you, you're going to get the very best results. Until my next video, guys, stay kind and stay blessed. Bye.